The objective of this lesson is to learn to find the volume of a pyramid. There are two different kind of pyramids that we're going to deal with today. You have a rectangular pyramid. It's called a rectangular pyramid because the base is a rectangle. The sides are still triangles, but the base is a rectangle. A triangular pyramid has a triangle as the base. But both of them, the height of the triangle goes from the peak down to perpendicular to the base. Now to find the volume of the pyramid, you're going to find the area of the base and multiply it times that height, times 1/3. And remember that if you're finding the area of a rectangular base, if you've got the rectangular base, the area would be length times width. If you have it's a triangle, then you're going to have 1/2 the base times the height. So to find the volume of this figure, first we've got to figure out, is this a triangular or rectangular pyramid? If you notice, the base is a triangle. So the first thing I need to do is find the area of the triangular base. Remember, that area is 1/2 the base times the height. Okay, and that height, though, is the height of the pyramid, not the height of the the height of the triangle, not the height of the pyramid. So it's 1/2 the base, which is 4 centimeters, times the height of the triangle, which is 7 centimeters. So 1/2 times 4 times 7. And one way you could do this on your calculator is to take 4 times 7 and then divide that by 2. And if you do, you end up with 14 centimeters squared. Now that's the area of the base of the pyramid. So now to find that volume, we're going to take 1/3 times that base times the height of the pyramid, which is 6. When you do that, you get 28 centimeters. And since it's volume, it's cubed. So let's look at this next one. We need to find the volume of this. Again, you need to find out, is it a rectangular pyramid or triangular pyramid? Well, if you look at the base, you see that the base is a triangle. So it's a triangular pyramid. So the area of the base, remember, is going to be 1/2 the base of the triangle times the height. And then you're going to to find the volume, you're going to take that base, the area of that base, times 1/3 times the height of the pyramid. So go ahead and try that on your own. So if you did it correctly, you should have found the area of the base to be 17.5 inches squared. And then when you found the volume, it should have been 40.83 repeating inches cubed. Now how are we going to use that? Let's see. If we have the pyramid of Kukulcan in Mexico, sorry if I mispronounced that, is a square pyramid. Its height is 24 meters and its base has 55-meter sides. Find the volume of the pyramid. So we know it's a square pyramid, so we know the area of the base is going to be length times width. So both sides of it are going to be 55. So you're going to take 55 times 55. So the area of the base is going to be 3,025 meters squared. So now to find the volume, we're going to take 1/3 of that base times the height of the pyramid, which is 24. Now, as a note, a lowercase b is used to represent the length of the base of a two-dimensional figure, and a capital B is represent the area of the base of a solid figure. Just as a note there to pay attention to. But when we multiply 3,025 times 24 and then divide by 3, you will get 24,200 meters cubed. That's 24,200 meters cubed. So you're going to try this one on your own. You're going to find the volume of a pyramid with a height of 12 meters and a base with 48 meter sides. Now, as a note, this is a rectangular pyramid. So pause the video and try this one on your own. So if you did this one correctly, you should have found the base of the pyramid to be 2,304 meters squared. And then if you took that times the 1/3 times the height, which is 12 meters, you should have gotten 9,216 meters cubed. So try this last one on your own, and make sure you pay attention that this is a triangular pyramid. So to find the area of the base, remember you need to find 1/2 the base of the triangle times the height to find the area of the base. And then to find the volume, you will find 1/3 of that base times the height of the pyramid. So when you're done, bring it up to me to have it checked.